There.
Come on, cross, bro. He's wanting to cross.
Turn.
You good?
There it is.
What would you give for her, Ron? That was nice work on all three of them.
They didn't go over there. Yeah, there, 1 to 3.
Yep. Well, that was nice work coming through there stopping.
They just seem to like a little foot.
Yep.
Say what, she's good for me back.
I'll tell you, your other pup's aggressive. Did you see that? He's low being an awful good dog, Ron. If they don't have that competitive edge, they're not going to try.
No, that's true.
You take 90% of the judges aren't going to recognize what Easy does, though.
Right there.
Yeah.
They're not going to score any.
No.
They're just going to say they kept it going.
Yeah.
And they're not going to be impressed if they didn't run over 30 yards. Nice. Nice hit.
Just crossed, Ron. Nothing wrong with that.
Take them over and Gene and I judge, and we'll put the win on it for you.
What was that?
Take them over and Gene and I will put the win on it.
If I enter there, you'll put the win.
I was just kidding.
Change your tune now, didn't you?
I don't know what I was thinking.
So if we go to
Mason Dixon.
And we enter under you and Gene, you'll guarantee me a win.
Gene will show favoritism.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's Felton that'll do it, not
Gene,
you.
I will not agree, but Gene will want to.
And you'll give in, right?
I'll eventually give in because he's the senior judge.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. No, we definitely won't show this on video.
No, you can send that to Gene. Send it just to him. He's running now. She just bringing it.
There's the glue.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. She just bringing it straight up behind her. That's where he was.
Well, that's where he barked last, right there. Hope I'm not on it. Look here, Ron.
Yeah, that's it.
Good work. Very good. Field trial. Blue collar. Yeah, boy.
I think that dog.
Oh, look here. Field trial, orange collar. Between the two mud holes, right? Hey, I missed it. This will be a little tougher today. Now it's dried out.
She's got it. He's got it. Ranger's one can't smell it.
He's tracking up my rabbit, though.
Yeah.
He's interfering the gallery. He's part of the gallery, Ron.
Take it, girl. Take it, girl.
Don't let him drag you.
Right in there, boys.
Yep. I knew it was going to be tough, Eric, now that it's... That's what you want to do, Ranger. You hang right in there, bud.
Blue collar. Get out here and do some work where the rabbit's at. She'll get it. She'll get them dogs out of there. Yeah, there she goes. She'll, come on, right there. You got it. Go ahead. Forward. Yeah, she's got to go up the road a little bit. There you go. There you go, girl. Oh my gosh, there she got it. They had it right there. There she goes. Yep.
She's thinking about it. Score me, Ron.
Yeah.
Huh.
Might have went around that.
Yeah.
I think it did right around it. Yeah, straight ahead.
Ron Asbury got that check.
Yeah. Sit.
See that?